Hey bosses, it's Nina. I'm running out of space in my PicMonkey Hub. If you haven't used PicMonkey Hub, I highly suggest that you get it. I'll leave a link below. I think it's only $4.99. I can't remember if you can get it for free, but I know if you have the premium PicMonkey, which is only $4.99 a month, you have the Hub. Really, I use the Hub for uploading. I basically purchase all of my stock images, I collect my images, all of that, and then I upload it here. The thing is, it's getting hard to find and I'm out of space. So I thought instead of just upgrading, I'm going to take you guys through this as I upgrade and do some organization. One of the things I do want to point out is that you don't have to upgrade to organize. I'm going to give you a couple of tips and then we'll move on. If you're in Hub and you can open Hub from the main page of PicMonkey, but I usually just go down to the overlays and add and click on my Hub. So you can organize it. By default, it has the images, but you can organize it in a list format. Now, if you're naming your items right, which I just started doing, so Pink Boss Academy, I start with PBA, so you see PBA, this should probably be a PBA. And then you can sort by the name. And if you've done it correctly, then you'll have it sorted correctly. So again, I just started doing this. So before I would just upload things because I was trying to test them. And you could see I was doing Pink Boss Academy here. But what I would do is come up with like a naming convention if you're not going to upgrade to the collections. So if you just want to use the Hub and you want to organize your stuff, make sure that you come up with some kind of naming convention that makes it basically sort in a way that you want. The other thing that I wanted to bring out, a lot of people don't know this, is you can manage your Hub on the top right. So if you have to delete things, so I have two of these, I can click here and delete that and then go to another one and delete that if I want. But for now, I'm just gonna select the one, go down to delete at the bottom, forever ever, and delete it. Okay, there's a couple of other options here. So you can edit at the bottom, but when you select multiple, or where did it go? Image selected. I lost my way. Manage Hub, and then if I select multiple, you could also download. Okay, you can make copies. I make copies a lot, so then I can create other images from one initial image. So like for instance, this lessons loaded is a copy of this that I edited. And then here's where you create a collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade. Notice it is $99 a year, so it's billed annually, but you don't have a limit of how many images that you can keep, right? And you can organize it in folders. So give me a second and we'll go through this. Before I proceed, I did want to show you that you can use a credit card or use PayPal. So if you're a PayPal user, they do give you that option. Okay, so now I'm at SupPremium. So I guess there was premium, now it's SupPremium, cute. Okay, so I have my images, I have my collages, which I don't use, and then I have my collections. Notice there is an upload button, so you don't have to just upload when you need them. What I do is I click on upload and I upload multiple images. But let me just show you how to create or how to add things to a collection. So I'm gonna create a Pink Boss Academy collection. You can either start here with your images or you can go over to collections. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Manage Hub. And let's do Pink Boss Academy. So some of these, or let's just do stock images. I'm going to pick my stock images. And sometimes I separate them into different folders. But what I'll probably do is just name them so I can search for them. So these are all images that I created. This is a duplicate. Okay. That's good enough for now, but I'm just going to move all of my stock images. I say that's enough, but I keep on clicking. I'm going to move them to a collection. So at the bottom, not copy, where did it go? Create collection. It looks like a printer though, a little weird. Create a collection, create a new collection. So this will be stock images. Okay. Then what I would do is I would go back and I would manage again, and then I would probably do logos. These are all, just a hint, you guys, just a tip. Any application that you use has official logos. So you can go to their site and you can download their official logo, so you're not just Googling them. So I usually go to their sites and download them. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and click on a couple of these logos. As you can see, I use a lot. Some of these are not official. Okay, I think that's enough for now. I'm gonna go ahead and create another collection. And this will be my logo collection. Well, I could just say logos, app logos. I'm calling it app logos, or I'll do logos/app, and I'll show you why in just a second. Because these should be the logos from my apps that I use. I'm gonna do my own logos or put those in there separately. So I'm gonna go over to collections, and you'll see that I have my logos, apps, and then my stock images. I'm gonna create a new collection here. Okay, this time it's gonna let me just select. So I'm gonna go to my own logos, right? Just a couple. This one's a messed up one. I don't know what happened there. And then I'm gonna click on create. Okay, forgot the name, so I'm gonna click here. And let's see if I can change the name. Let's open it. Okay, here's the logos. At the top, I can just double click. There we go. And I'll do logos. And then I'll say Nina Simone Consulting. So all of my logos. If I need to add additional ones, I would just click on the plus. And I could either pick it from here. So if I select some other logos that I might have, so like Socially Nina, right? Socially Nina. Or if you have them on your desktop, you can click on upload. Okay. So I do, one, I needed more space, but two, I've been wanting to try the collections. So it looks like it's pretty straightforward. This is going to be easier for me. So I have an image here. If I click on add your own from my hub, now I can go over to collections and I can say I need a stock image. Okay, if you want to do it further, you can say stock images /woman or /biz or /computers, whatever it is that your stock images are. Okay, so I like it. I'll let you know how it goes as I am using it, but just wanted to show you guys that new feature that PicMonkey is offering. I'll get to collages one day. I don't really do collages anymore. Do you want to learn more tips and tricks for social media graphics? Head over to 30and30.club for my free tutorial, how to create 30 social media graphics in 30 minutes. Yep, you heard that right. And I'm not playing. So I'm just letting you know some of the techniques that I use to quickly get through creating a bunch of graphics. Just head over there. It's free. What do you have to lose? Ciao.